Sir Kurt to. Wait, ayusin niyo yung pila niya sa si CJ.
Yes, CJ sa harap.
Ayun.
Wala kang magagawa.
Paparada na po kami. Jared oh.
Yung balon nyo.
Guys, paparado na kami!
Na, tingin sa camera. Documentation yan.
Sobrang mabuti.
Sobrang bait.
Sobrang bait.
Di alas 8 na. Wala pa kaming parada.
Balon namin
Pero tingin sa camera. Pwede, tingin sa camera. Ang init dito! Okay. Hi guys, sa bench na kami. So guys, bumili po sila. May inom.
victory, dignity in defeat. True leaders lead with sportsmanship. I am John Elsevier B. Sarmiento, and I'm proud to represent Humanities and Social Sciences, Quezon City.
Step into the stage, claim your power, but don't pull others just to bring them down. A queen shines and the real king stands, because power is built in lifting hands. Good day, world citizens! I am Natalie Origadas, and I'm proudly standing for Humanities and Social Sciences, Quezon City! Para may sense of surprise. From QC Branch! From QC Branch! From QC Branch!
Bawal ka umiyak ha, may walang sa'yo. Makukunin tayo. Oo. Yes! That's number one!
Miss Hughes, the last but not the least, how are you? I actually feel overwhelmed, a little bit intimidated, but actually I am inspired to be in front of the world citizens here today because I stand here not just as one, but a humanista, not just for Quezon City, but also for Antipolo City.
Ate Sheila! Ate Sheila! Ate Sheila! Hi, Paul.
Thank you for your answer, but that is not the final question. All right, here's your question. Why do you deserve to be crowned as Miss Intramurals concerning sportsmanship? Again, why do you deserve to be crowned as Miss Intramurals concerning sportsmanship? Thank you so much for that wonderful and inspiring question. I believe that the essence of this Miss Intramurals 2025 is not just to step into the stage and to perform in front of the world citizens. I believe that the essence of this Miss Intramurals is to continue to inspire every student. I want to inspire the youth, my fellow world citizens, that we are more than just a youth. We can do better than what we are doing in this exact moment. And we can climb higher than what we think our limitations are. Because I want to remind you that failures does not mean
failures. Failures is a lesson that will lead you to success. And as I stand here today, I want to be remembered, not just as a contestant who performed in front of the world citizens, but I want to be remembered as a queen with a crown on her head and a legacy on her head. And